Kashmir continues to be in deep freeze. If you talk of Srinagar, night temperature again plummeted to -7.3, the second coldest this season. We are on the banks of Dal Lake, and I'll ask Muzaffar to show you. A thick sheet of ice has again enveloped, and if some days back it was the back side of Dal Lake, now the front side has also frozen. Around an inch of thick inch of snow, or should I say ice, has enveloped the Dal Lake. These are beautiful visuals, but at the same time it is literally very, very cold. I mean, if you come out early morning around Dal Lake, you have to be brave, because the kind of cold you'll feel, it will numb your hands, and you won't be able to feel your hands and any part of the body which is not covered by clothes. Now, I'll just ask Muzaffar to just zoom down here. I'll try to show you the kind of freeze that the Dal Lake is witnessing now. This is the ice that has been broken by the Shikarawalas, because it is impossible to wade through this ice without breaking it. So they have broken it, but still, I mean, there is this thick, as you can see, at least I think it's around more than half an inch of ice that has enveloped the Dal Lake. Now, these are the scenes across. I'll ask Muzaffar to show you. These are the scenes, thick sheet of ice, and this is a testimony to the kind of cold conditions prevailing in the Kashmir Valley. While the whole of North India is in deep freeze, but Kashmir has always a different story. But while it is a daily challenge for the natives, because daily life has become problematic. There are power cuts, water pipelines are frozen. Every morning you have to burn, lit fire to ensure that the ice melts and water is available in these pipelines. But for the tourists, it is something to enjoy. It is something to. It's a winter wonderland. They're making memories, and here we have some tourists who have come early morning just to witness this frozen Dal Lake. आप कहाँ से?
I'm from Chandigarh.
You're from Chandigarh. So, how's the feel? I mean, first of all, tell me the kind of cold that you're witnessing and you're feeling.
I think the cold I witnessed is very cold today. The temperature is going to be minus 5.6 in the morning in the Srinagar, and right now we are.
It was 7.3.
Yeah, it was 7.3, but we are just coming 1 or 2 hours before. That's why we are.
Have you ever seen this kind of phenomena where the complete lake is enveloped by ice?
Yeah, it's completely mesmerizing for me. For first time, I have seen this type of beauty, and the temperature that we are expecting in the Srinagar, it was, we are not just feel that the temperature goes to a minus 7.6 in Srinagar. We are expecting that the Gulmarg face this type of temperature, but right now we are just fascinated to see the temperature and the.
So you guys, you are enjoying a look at that. Sheet of ice. You enjoying your time?
Yes.
Around almost 1 inch.
Almost 1 inch
Thick ice. So you came early morning to see this?
Yes. Yeah, we are just we have see across the Dal Lake, and we have take the Shikara rides. We have some photos, videos across it, and then we have gone through the Sankaracharya temple there.
Okay.
And after that, we are just going for the.
So have you ever witnessed this kind of cold?
No, this is the first time we visited Kashmir, and must visit Kashmir. Kashmir is very beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, great. So as you can see, these tourists enjoying themselves, and while it is an opportunity to make memories for a lifetime, but it also requires a lot of, you have to be brave to come out of your cozy rooms this early in the morning. Brave minus 7.3, while it is the official temperature that has been released by the IMD, but the real feel obviously is worse. It's like around minus 12 to 13 degrees. So this is the kind of cold that is basically being felt across the Kashmir Valley. And if you talk of Srinagar also, it's very cold, but if you move out of Srinagar, these are extreme cold conditions, and there is no respite, as according to the IMD, this cold is going to continue till there is snowfall, and that may probably happen by the end of December. So that can bring relief, but till that time, cold temperatures, minus temperatures are all set to break new records. I'll once again tell Muzaffar, to show you now, this is shikara that is coming in. You can be hearing the crackling sound of ice being broken. Now, these are the tourists who are living in these houseboats, and early morning, these shikarawalas, life is hard for them because they have to break this ice. Early morning, they have to take out the shikara. They need to break this ice to ensure the shikara wades through, because otherwise it's going to break, it's going to cause damage. So this is the kind of life as far as people who basically wade the shikara, or people who live around the Dal Lake, the houseboat walas. This is the daily routine that they have. Now, this is a set of tourists that are coming in, but as you can see, ice being broken early morning, and absolutely mesmerizing visuals. Kashmir has turned into a winter wonderland, and these are the scenes across. There are waterfalls that have frozen, water bodies that have frozen, and then while it is beautiful for the tourists, but for the natives, considering the kind of power crisis we have, considering the kind of impact it has had on daily life, be it frozen water pipes and other ripple effect that it has on daily life, it is a daily challenge for the local people. But for the tourism industry, perfect advertisement, a frozen Dal, and they're expecting that people who are planning holidays on the New Year, they'll come to Kashmir because it's a wonderland, and they will make memories for a lifetime if they decide to have their holidays in the frozen winter wonderland of Kashmir. Camperson, Muzaffar Ahmad, Mir Farid, Dal Lake for India Today.